This is a short tutorial showing off the creature's trust bar in our game Haven. So I'm going to show off the trust bar in game, and then I'm just going to go through this 3 scripts that are needed to make this work. So let's go ahead and load up the game. Okay, so play. So we got over to our creature over here. We'll see that he has over him some sort of bar. So this is indicate his trust bar, and since I was close to him and I wasn't rushing in, his level increased. So the middle number is his level, and the ring around it is how much progress you have on that level. So at the moment we have 0 progress on this level. So we want to go and get some fruit. We got some fruit, and now we want to go feed it. So he's going to come over and get some fruit and eat it. As you can see, his bar went up, so it will increase in a circle as it goes. So if we go over to him and pet him, he doesn't like that, so his trust will go down. So as you can see, the trust bar follows you. So I basically use a look at script, so wherever you are, it will be always facing you. So, because when he turns around, you don't want it to be turning around. And that's about it and how it looks. So I'll just go through the code and the game objects. So the creature UI is based on a trust canvas. So I have a canvas and a game object. So this game object just holds everything for the UI. So we have a black bar, which is just the outline of it with a grey center. We have the trust, which is a circle, which is basically fills amount. So in the image descriptor we have fill amount, so it'll increase and decrease as we go on. So if we go into the scene, go into the trust bar, and we move this, it'll increase and decrease in a circular motion. So yeah, and then we have the level trust. This is basically our level in the middle, so indicate here. So, and this is all done scripting. So for scripts we have a look at script attached to the game object that holds all these, so that will make all these look towards the player. In the black bar we have nothing. We don't need to attach any scripts to that. It's just static UI. The trust bar, we have just a trust bar script, which basically will deal with increasing the trust bar due to the amount of trust the creature has. And the level text will be basically a text script which will determine its level. So when it's level 2, it will increase, 3 it will increase. So if we quickly look at the scripts and what they do. So we'll start off with the trust bar. So we have an image and we just have an amount. So we want to basically get the component of the image, so that's the circle that we showed for the trust bar. So we want to get this component so we can access its fill amount. So in the update we want to check basically the amount will actually equal the creature controller's trust. So this will return the trust value from the creature controller, and that way we can use this trust value to fill it or decrease it depending on the amount. So we want the fill amount to be the amount of trust divided by the amount divided by 100. This is because it only works on a scale from 0 to 1. So we want it to be within that scale. So the amount has to be divided by 100. And so when you interact with the creature, it will fill the circle depending on how much amount, and if you lose trust, it'll go down by a certain amount. So that's pretty straightforward. And for the lookup script is pretty basic. So there's a transform.look at, and we just want to be looking at the main camera, and then we just want it to be vector up. In the text strip, we have two variables, a level text and a creature level. So we want to get the text component for the level text. So that'll be the text that's like here, which we don't want, obviously. And then we want the creature level to basically, similar to the trust, we want to get the check level from the creature controller. And then we want to set the level text.text to be the creature level, and we have to just call the toString because we want it to be a toString value because it's an integer. And yep, that's basically it for the creature UI. Thanks for listening.